Welcome to this Voice Portal tutorial video series. In this video, we will be discussing the Business Cloud Communications Voice Portal. The Voice Portal is an online control center where you can manage who can contact you, how they will reach you, and when they can reach you. Many calling features can be managed via star codes, but some things are easier to manage in your account. When your account was created, an email that contains your username, a link to create your user password, and the portal URL was sent to you. Click on the URL and sign in with your credentials. If you haven't received the email, please contact customer support. The Voice Portal has 4 primary sections: users, devices, voicemail, and call history. Some users may also have auto attendant and phone numbers. Let's start with users. This is a quick view of all the users on your account and their settings. You can search for a user here or scroll through the list to find the one you are looking for. Hover over a user and click Edit on the right to expand its settings. Each user has 5 tabs: calls, devices, plans, settings, and voicemail. Under calls, you can view the phone number that is routed to the user. If you need to make any changes to these settings, please contact customer support. Next is your call screening settings. Using the drop-down menus, you can choose what happens to anonymous, toll-free, and all other callers. When forward is selected, those incoming calls will be forwarded to the screened forward number entered in the field above. To specify what happens to calls from a specific phone number, click the Add Caller button and enter the information below. Call handling settings determine what happens to callers who reach this number. Ring line is the standard option. When the line is unanswered, busy, or out of service, those callers can be sent to your voicemail box, hear a busy tone, or be forwarded to another number. For no answer, you can also let the call ring until they hang up. Forward all means all calls will be forwarded to the number entered here. Simultaneous ring enables calls to ring simultaneously on all devices assigned to this user and any additional phone numbers entered below. Find Me Follow Me enables calls to ring sequentially on each device or phone number listed below. At the top here, you can create a schedule so different call handling settings are enabled at different times. Custom schedules can be set up for specific dates, and weekly schedules can be set up for specific days of the week. To learn more about call handling features, refer to the link in the comments below. You also have the options to enable call waiting, which allows incoming calls to bypass your call handling rules and ring to a line while the line is in use, or Do Not Disturb, which will immediately send all calls to your voicemail box. Next is the Device tab. Here you can see which devices are assigned to the user and which devices have a line assigned to this user. Devices can be managed here at the user level or from the Devices page in the left navigation menu. In either location, find the device and click Edit on the right to view and manage settings. Here you can see basic information including the type, MAC address, and configuration status. Further down, you can view and edit devices' line configuration. Click Edit to expand the settings and make any changes as necessary. In the Plans tab, you can view the user's BCC feature plan and their calling plans, including how many minutes they've used. To modify either of these settings, please contact customer support. The Settings tab is where you can view and edit the user's information, including their name, extension, language, and time zone. Under Login Information, you can see the end user's role, which determines what kind of access they have in the Voice Portal. Admin users can manage other users on the account, while limited users can only manage their own settings. This username is what they will have to use to log into the Voice Portal, and the email address is where the password reset emails will be sent if you click this button. And the Reset PIN button will change the user's voicemail box PIN to 1234. The user will have to change it the next time they log in. Here you can also modify which phone number will be used as the user's caller ID when making outbound calls. We don't recommend selecting none, as it could result in some carriers rejecting the call. The E911 record is separate from your caller ID. It is important to select the correct address for this number, so first responders will arrive at the correct address in the event of an emergency. If you don't have access to this setting and it needs to be updated, please contact customer support for assistance. Finally, we have the user's voicemail box. Here you can change which voicemail box is assigned to the user and reset their PIN if necessary. You can also upload the user's custom voicemail box greetings and see their saved messages. Voicemail messages can be forwarded as an MP3 file to one or more email addresses. To enable this setting, check the Forward Voicemail to Email box. If you want to keep a copy of the message in the voicemail box, check that option as well. Otherwise, the message will be deleted from the box once it's forwarded. Finally, enter one or more email addresses below, each separated by a comma, and then click Save. If you wish to manage all available devices in your account, click on Devices on the left navigation menu. Here you will see a list of all the devices in your account. To locate a particular device, you can search for the owner's name or MAC address. Click Edit on the desired device to expand the settings. For more information about editing devices, refer to the Device Management section in the SYMBIS Help Center. Finally, managing inbound calls is a crucial part of how your organization handles everyday business. Auto Attendance enables identification, segmentation, and routing of callers to the most appropriate agent within your teams. It is a simple, effective, and a completely customizable tool which will significantly reduce costs and increase efficiency within your company. If Auto Attendant access is enabled on your account, you will see both Auto Attendant and phone numbers in the left navigation menu. You can click Add Auto Attendant to create a new one, or hover over an existing Auto Attendant to view the management options, including Delete, Duplicate, Activate, and Edit. Once an Auto Attendant is activated, meaning it's ready to be assigned to activate on a phone number, it can no longer be edited. So this will be a view-only option. For more information, watch the Auto Attendant tutorial video linked below. Next is the voicemail page. This is where you can find all the voicemail boxes on the account. Search for a voicemail box or scroll through the list and find what you're looking for. Then, click on it to expand the settings. This view is slightly different than the voicemail tab in the users. Here you can modify the name of the voicemail box, but not who it is assigned to. For that, you will need to go back to the voicemail tab for the user you want to assign it to. The last page in your account is Call History, where you can view all the call records on the account. Select a record to view the details of the call. In order to find exactly what you're looking for, you can filter the list by date, type, or call flags, such as answered, busy, forwarded, missed, or sent to voicemail. The report can also be downloaded as a CSV file. If you have any additional questions, feel free to reach out to your customer support, and we will see you in the next video.